Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Anne Boonchuy, the brave and adventurous heroine from Disney's Amphibia. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and lets us create even more fun drawing tutorials for you. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's start drawing. We'll begin by sketching Anne's eyes using simple rounded shapes before adding her nose and smile. One of the best things about Amphibia is its wonderfully simple cartoon style. It already shares many characteristics with classic cartoon animation, including the clean shapes and smooth lines that we're very familiar with here on the channel. Anne Boonchuy is a 13-year-old Thai American girl who is magically transported from Earth to the world of Amphibia after opening a mysterious music box with her friends. The series was created by Matt Braley, who based many parts of Anne's personality and family on his own experiences growing up in a Thai American family. As we continue, don't worry about making every line perfect. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need a little extra time. Now, let's draw Anne's iconic fluffy hairstyle. Instead of worrying about every individual strand, focus on the overall shape first, then add a few simple curves to create that fun, messy look. Anne's last name, Boonchuy, is inspired by Thai culture, and the show became widely praised for its positive representation of Thai traditions and family life. Anne's closest frog friend is Sprig Plantar, whose adventurous personality often leads them into exciting and hilarious situations. Although the show is full of comedy, Amphibia gradually becomes an epic adventure with emotional moments and surprising twists. Anne is looking really cute already, isn't she? Let's continue with her oversized t-shirt, collar, and skirt. Notice how simple most of her clothing shapes are. That's one reason this character is so enjoyable to draw. If you enjoyed drawing Anne with us, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. It really helps the channel. And if you'd like to draw even more amazing characters from cartoons, movies, and games, click the card above and check out our complete playlist filled with fun step-by-step tutorials. Now tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see here next? Maybe another hero from Amphibia? Or someone from your favorite animated series? Her shirt features the initials SJMS, referencing St. James Middle School, where she attended before arriving in Amphibia. Anne spends much of the series learning responsibility, friendship, and self-confidence while living among the frog citizens of Wortwood. Now, let's move to her long arms and hands. Unlike many classic cartoons, including the style we often use here on the channel, where 4 fingers are common, Anne keeps all 5 fingers, just like in the original Amphibia design. It's a small detail that helps preserve the authentic look of the character. Anne develops incredible blue energy powers later in the series, connected to the magical Calamity Gems. Amphibia originally aired on Disney Channel in 2019 and ran for 3 seasons. Now we'll draw her long legs, socks, and a single sneaker. A pretty funny look, right? The series finale received praise from fans for delivering an emotional conclusion to Anne's journey and the friendship she built in Amphibia. For the colors, here are a few tips. For her skin, use a brown skin tone, adding slightly darker orange-brown shades beneath the hair, neck, arms, and around the clothing folds to create gentle depth. Her hair is a rich, dark brown, while the leaves are orange and green, giving her that signature adventurous appearance. Her shirt is a light gray with a purple collar, and the skirt uses a vibrant magenta or pinkish purple. Her shoes combine white, yellow, and gray, making them stand out nicely against the rest of the outfit. Of course, feel free to color Anne however you like and create your own unique version. And here's our Anne Boonchuy, ready for another adventure in Amphibia. I hope you had fun drawing along with us today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!